Hey there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's take a quick comparison of the X Twitter and Bluesky. Now the thing you'll notice is it's somewhat similar for the user interface. The tools are going to be on the left side, same goes with this one, because the creators of Bluesky are somewhat related on the previous creators of Twitter. Now the difference is going to be the massive followers or massive user database and global search, which is going to be leading for Twitter. Since Bluesky is fairly new and Twitter has accumulated some database, it gives points to Twitter for a large global reach. For Twitter also you have a great for trending topics, news, real-time conversation, offers features like spaces, communities, and paid subscriptions, where in Bluesky you can create your very own community. However, I think there is no subscription for this one just yet. Moving forward, however, though that Twitter can be owned by Elon Musk, which has brought major changes, some good and some controversial, Bluesky is not owned by Elon Musk just yet. Now for Twitter, it can feel cluttered right now with ads, promoted content, and algorithm-driven feeds, wherein Bluesky do not. Since this is fairly new, it is going to be a fresh new start with less clutter and ads. Now talking about Bluesky mainly here, so it's going to be again new. It has a decentralized alternative for Twitter. It is clean, minimalist interface with focus on user control. As you can see right there, there's going to be a sample profile. In Twitter, if you go to your profile, you only have, I think, 3 sections. Moving forward for that one, this has so much. Alright? Now, it is also a post called Skeets. So for Twitter, or X rather, you're going to call them posts. For this one, rather than posts, or tweets rather, before, you're going to call them Skeets. And there's no ads for now. Still invite only for this one, so the community is smaller and more niche. Prioritizes transparency, open protocols, and custom feeds for Bluesky. Now overall, X is powerful and established, but can feel overwhelming. Bluesky is fresh, new, focused on decentralization and ideal if you're looking for a quieter, more experimental social media space. So for me personally, I'm going for Bluesky because it's a quiet environment. However, for Twitter, it's going to be a known one, so it depends on your need. If you want to expand your reach, go for Twitter. If you want to enjoy social media spaces, a quieter and a new one, go for Bluesky. Alright? And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.